Okay, let's get into it. We're going to solve a classic, tricky little grammar puzzle.
So what's the deal with this tiny apostrophe? Which one's correct, and why is it such a debate?
To crack this, we got to start with the gerund. Think of it as a verb moonlighting as a noun.
See, here biking isn't the action. It's the thing we're talking about, the subject of the sentence.
And in this case, biking is the thing that's being loved. It's the direct object.
But it gets trickier. Turns out not all gerunds are the same. They come in two flavors.
You've got nominal gerunds, which act more like nouns, and verbal gerunds, which lean more verb-like. And this chart breaks it down perfectly. Nouny gerunds get adjectives, verby ones get adverbs.
Notice casual is an adjective, and it's followed by of. Yep, that's a classic nominal gerund.
But check this out. Visiting has a direct object, you, and is negated. That's a verbal gerund in action.
Okay, so let's bring it back to our original puzzle. Why does it have to be Jane's yelling? Here's the key. The subject isn't Jane. It's the yelling. Jane's just tells us whose yelling it is.
So the rule of thumb is pretty simple. Use a possessive noun or pronoun right before a gerund.
And this goes for pronouns too. It's your helping, because helping is the noun here.
And while we're talking apostrophes, let's look at a few other tricky cases you'll definitely run into.
So how did this all get so complicated? Well, the answer goes back more than 800 years.
The gerund actually started as a pure noun in Old English. Over time, it started picking up verb-like skills.
And what's wild is that this whole verb as a noun idea isn't even originally an English thing.
Words like agenda and Amanda actually come from Latin gerundives. They're kind of like verbal adjectives.
It just goes to show you, language is always evolving. Today's correct rule could be history tomorrow.